Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at Greer Springs. It's in the Ozarks in Missouri. Let's walk around and check it out. Oh, the mill's named after Samuel Greer. We'll have to check the mill out too. I think I think maybe they need to update the sign. There's another one that says right here it's a 0.9. Well, that's pretty sharp. We can do that. Alright, it's a wide trail. Assuming I actually find it in here, you want to pick out the Greer Trail head location as your stop to get here. There's not, when you look at the map, it's hard it looks. So, check out these mushrooms. Wow. They're making us work for it this time. You hear that? I think we're getting close. I think we're getting closer. I hear it. Ooh, I can see it. Oh yeah, I can definitely see it. Ah. Ooh, that is cool. Nice. You guys want to see it too? Well, that's a bummer. So far away, so I can zoom in a little bit. Look at the flow. Pretty cool. We're gonna have to get closer though, because you guys can't see a thing. Well, at least they got steps. Okay. That's good. Oh yeah. Ooh. Cool. All right. Ooh, these steps are metal. All right, I'm gonna turn it off for a little bit. All right, we survived the trip down. Wow. Pretty cool. I think we're not at the top yet. That's pretty cool. Alright, you gotta sit for a spell. Neat looking rock. Guess you could say this spring rocks. Okay, maybe you can't say that. So I think there's more to see upstream. Let's go see if I can negotiate the rocks. And when I say negotiate the rocks, I am not kidding. I don't know if it's coming through on, oh, there's signage up there I did not see. Ooh, okay. They get you right up here, don't they? Ooh. Wow. Gotta make sure I don't fall in. Alrighty. That's kind of neat. That looks man-made. Huh. I don't know about this. I gotta get over there where they are. Going to be tricky. All that unicycling must be helping. Good balance. There's the mouth of the beast. I think Greer is a pretty big spring, if I remember right. Second largest or in Missouri. Can't quite see around the bend. Don't. Huh. It's a pretty neat spot. You guys want to sit for a bit? One time my drone would come in handy. Except I don't think I can fly here. Can't sit around the bend. I am not gonna try to walk out there because I don't want to get all that wet. It's a pretty neat spot. Let's go ahead and drive up the street to see the mill, or we could take a boat. I'm sure it goes right by this water right here. Oh shoot, I left my boat at home. All right, we'll take a walk then. Then take the car. Okay, what's the sign say? Loving memory of Samuel G. Betty. That was a nice remembrance. Whoa. He didn't die right. He was pretty young when he died. Any bears in there? Hello, bear. Any bears? Arrgh. Whoa, okay. I'll stay out here. Well, that's pretty neat. The fungi. Look at that. It's neat in the woods, just not in my house. Oh, look, this is neat. I made it. Okay, off to see the mill. Let's go. That was actually a really short drive. You gotta love the government's sense of humor. I'm at a really big parking lot, and I'm just kidding. It's really small. Look at us. It's just down there. Okay. Looks like some sort of park building. Right there, you pull into the parking lot. First sign you see says no parking. I'm assuming they read right in front of the gate, but really, they need to chill out a little. Here's the mill. Pretty cool. Okay, let's check out the rules. It says no shooting. I don't think they count cameras. Ooh, look, see, look, we are in bear country. Wow. No horses here. All right. I didn't know that last year. Last year I learned something new. Okay. This is the Greer Mill. And I'm thinking they may have re-sided it. If not, it really, it's held up nicely. But that's definitely a new roof. I wonder if it's ever open. You have to let me know if you see anything when you're up there. Okay. Do you see anything? The window's pretty dirty. Yeah, they definitely restored this. It looks really good. They got the doors locked. Let's see if we can walk around to the back. I always thought mills were next to bodies of water. I guess I stand corrected. There's no body of water here. Anybody know what this mill was used for? There's like no signage. Okay, so this is what I found out from the sign at the trailhead. The mill was first built in 1860. The original mill was destroyed during the Civil War. Then this mill was built in 1899, powered by cables running up the hill. They continued milling flour until 1920 when the mill closed. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys someplace or another. The building looks nice. They should put some signs in these things. All right, see you guys later. Bye. I think that was the first bear sign I've seen. I heard they were down in Ozarks. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.